The logistics sector has faced a significant shortfall in workers in recent years. With the ever-increasing demand for efficient supply chains, the need for skilled professionals has never been more important. DHL Supply Chain is encouraging the next generation with exciting career options. We spoke with Saul Resnick, DHL Supply Chain CEO, to learn more. Saul Resnick, thank you so much for joining us. The logistics sector has faced many challenges in recent years. What are the main areas of risk?
There are a number of areas of risk. I think if COVID showed us anything is that it's not always as predictable as you'd like it to be. And change can come in different forms in many different directions. Post-COVID, we've had sailing issues coming from the east. We've had markets come up, come down. We've had wars. There's just so many different things. So I think what is nice from our perspective is that supply chain has become such a topic of discussion that never was before.
How can you empower the next generation to encourage them to support and work in the logistics sector?
By demonstrating consistently that it is an attractive career choice for them to make. Historically, I think people saw the supply chain sector, and specifically what we do in warehouse distribution, as driving a truck or picking a box. And there's so much more to it. You know, we've now got engineers working for us who design robotic solutions in collaboration with our employees, and work on what the next level of innovation can look like in a fast-paced supply chain environment like ours. There's autonomous vehicles, but those don't take people's jobs. They just add complexity or dimensions or make people's jobs easier in some ways. And we have to make sure that our people can work alongside them and collaboratively with these automated tools, etc. So I think what we're now seeing is that the industry has so much to offer beyond what was stereotypically thought to be the norm.
I mean, that said, how is innovation and technology helping the industry?
Our customers expect us to continuously innovate, and they expect costs to continuously decrease as a consistent percentage of revenue. So they're looking at us to say, what can you bring to the table that will be different, and make sure that we can sustainably demonstrate that we can drive costs down, but also continue service or even improve service at the levels we have historically. So the automation and the technology that we bring in is aligned to those objectives. It's about removing activities and functions that people historically would have done, which were quite labor intensive, quite physically demanding, and making anything that could be automated in that space automated. But at the same time, it's not about decreasing jobs, it's about increasing jobs and reskilling individuals to do different activities, working alongside automation, alongside new technologies, AI, robotics, etc. And we're a keen embracer of those innovations and technologies, not just here in the UK, but globally.
And have you got initiatives in place to support this and help people?
Yes, we absolutely do. So we spend a lot of time working with our people, engaging with them, understanding their ambitions, their aspirations. We take the pulse of our people every year to see how they feel about our organization, how engaged are they. And what we do, we offer a lot of training and a lot of online training as well as in-person training to make sure that people stay ahead of the times and stay attuned to what's happening. You know, our business ultimately is not a manufacturing sector, we're a service sector. So we're only as good as the people we have working for us. And ultimately we need to make sure that they're fully engaged, fully committed to what it is we're trying to achieve as an organization, and they feel that we work in a collaborative fashion with all of them.
And very finally, I mean, the industry is changing massively, and innovation, technology. Where do you see the next 5 years?
It's hard to tell where I see myself tomorrow, never mind the next 5 years, but clearly we're going to see more innovation, more technology, not less. AI is really just beginning, and the impacts of that. We'll see a lot more data-driven decision-making, a lot more data-driven acquisitions and collaboration involved into our workforce. And I think we'll see more automation and more innovation from a technology point of view. But fundamentally, certain things won't change. End customer expectation on service, end customer expectation on maintenance of costs, and a collaborative environment with our people where they feel fully engaged and committed to our long-term projects.
Saul Resnick, thank you very much for joining us. Thank you.
My pleasure.